Hey Tech Nation, what's up? Hey, you're probably wondering what room am I in that it looks like this. I'm literally in my front dining room. I do a lot of work out here. It's wide open. I got plenty of space to work. Just set the camera up when I get inspired to do a Tech Time video. I want to talk about Amazon Smile. I use it all the time. Been using it for about 2 years. If you don't know what Amazon Smile is, it is a website that's just like Amazon, but if you order anything through Amazon Smile, they give a small portion of whatever you spend on Amazon to your local favorite charity or to any favorite charity, whatever you want. All you do is go to smile.amazon.com. I have a link down below, and do all your buying through that. Seriously, it's that simple. Whatever you buy, Amazon gives a small portion of that to charity, and bingo, you're helping out people. Doesn't cost you a dime, and you're buying the same thing you would on Amazon. Let me show you an example. All right, so let's go to Amazon. This is Amazon.com. This is what it looks like. Now, when I jump over here, Amazon Smile, exactly the same. That's right, they're identical websites. Just to prove it, let's do like Heinz ketchup. Let's look at the price on Amazon. Maybe it's made a 207, 14-ounce bottle. 207. Go to Amazon Smile, Heinz ketchup. Oh, weird. There it is, 207, 14 ounces. Same price, guys, right there. So there is no difference in pricing. The only difference is who you support. So I'm going to go here. Right now, all of 2017, I was supporting Reaching 360. It tells you how much money you've generated for them. They get a small percentage of everything I buy on Amazon. This is how much money since November of last year that all charities, all Smile charities got from Amazon because people set this up and shop on smile.amazon.com. $69 million. All of that would not have been paid out to charities had people not known about Smile. That's what I'm telling you guys. So this is how you do it. So I'm going to go choose one of the spotlight charities. You could choose one they suggest, or you could search for your own. Go down here, and there are tons of them. I mean, and if your charity is not there, call them up and then have them enter theirs in. So, let's do Bridge Ministry. Let's do a search. Okay, I'm looking for Nashville, Tennessee. Now let's see. Here we go, the Bridge Ministry. So let's take a look here and see about. Yep, that's the one right there. All right, so it's Christian based. I'm choosing that one right now, and I'm going to select them. And that's it. Now right up here you see the Bridge Ministry Incorporated. So we're good to go. It tells a little bit about the mission and their programs that they do. They feed kids, they feed the homeless, they have a food pantry. It's awesome. So how cool is that, guys? Start using Amazon Smile. Once again, it doesn't cost a thing, and you can help somebody at the same time. You didn't know that, did you? All right, Tech Nation, I'll see you on the next episode. Bye-bye.